This is a rabbit hole bonus with the wind alarm and bell. It's just setting up there temporarily. It's not actually mounted yet. There's a switch mounted inside by the dump tray, but we have a temporary switch here. Kind of give you an idea what it's going to do when it's hooked up. Then I can show you the rest of it over here. You can see on the back it has a opening so you can change the timing from 1 to 10 seconds. This box right here will mount onto the top of the machine. It will require a hole being drilled in the top. You have your switch wire that connects to your switch on your dump bucket. Then you have your power cord. This is setting upside down, but this is basically the way it looks. You have your switch mounted here, and then this is a normal position, and then when 40 quarters accumulate, it'll trip the bucket, dump the quarters, hit the switch, and bounce back up and activate your alarm box for a preset amount of time. This is a little bracket with the switch mounted on it. You just mount this up under the machine and then connect your wires. You have you're normally open and normally closed up here. This is your common. You'll want to hook your wires to here and here and leave this open.